Hey, hi, welcome back to New Look. I'm back with another natural homemade remedy. Today's video is all about how to get a favorite skin using the talcum powder. No one knows that talcum powder helps to improve your skin tone naturally. Now I'm going to show how to prepare a mask using this talcum powder in addition to other natural ingredients. So let's get started. As I said earlier, in this DIY I'm going to use this talcum powder and some aloe vera gel. By using this talcum powder and aloe vera gel, now I'm going to show how to prepare this DIY mask. And this talcum powder can work like a moisturizer to help to soothe extra dry skin. If you have any areas of irritated skin, just rub a bit of this talcum powder, an instant calming effect. And this Q-tip. And now by using this talcum powder in combination with aloe vera gel, prepare the mask. Now sprinkle some of the powder, at least 1 tablespoon, into the bowl, and now add 1 tablespoon of this aloe vera gel into this powder. Everybody uses this talcum powder as a finishing agent, but now it is very helpful to whiten your skin. Just mix this well. And this aloe vera helps to give soothingness to your skin and helps to moisturize your skin naturally. If you have any aloe vera plants near your home, just take out one of that plant and cut into halves and squeeze out the gel from that plant. So as of now, I don't have the aloe vera plant at my home. That's why I'm using this aloe vera gel. It will be available at any market shops. So now after mixing well, you can see the paste, talcum powder and aloe vera gel paste. And now take this amount and apply to your face, and don't forget to apply onto your neck too. Everyone neglects their neck, but you people don't neglect your neck. The neck is as important as your face. Be remember. Now apply as a gel onto your face while going to bed. While going to bed, just apply this as a lotion and go to bed. And in the next morning, just take a normal bath as you do regularly. Talcum powder and aloe vera combination will give the 100% results for your skin. Also, it helps to remove any dark spots, blemishes, any acne scars on your face. It helps to remove all those dark spots and helps to whiten your skin naturally. You can try at your home because only 2 ingredients we use, that is a talcum powder we use regularly for your face, and one is aloe vera gel. It is readily available at market. These two do wonders. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.